Kim Kardashian's son, Saint West, turned 7. The family is celebrating the birthday boy, including Kim, who takes to Insta with a sweet carousel of pics of Saint having the time of his life at a Los Angeles Rams game. The little football fan is looking super stoked as he jumps up and down in his jersey while waving a foam finger. The lucky kid also hangs with the team's mascot while smiling for pics with the team's Super Bowl trophy and championship ring. You know, casual. Kim captions the pics, "Happy 7th birthday to my baby boy. I love you so much. I love seeing you grow into the kindest soul ever. Mommy loves you forever and ever." Grandma Chris also posted a sweet tribute to Saint, writing, "You bring so much love and sunshine into our lives every single day. Your face lights up a room like sunshine, and you give the best hugs in the world." Happy birthday to Saint. We're hoping this celebration was the perfect kickoff to a new trip around the sun.